for you.
You show her how to use it, buddy? Show her how to use it. What else did she get? She's trying to grab it.
She got this. She got her thing.
It's a rattle. It's a penguin. Nice. Yes. Did you get a penguin rattle?
And she got a Rudolph one.
A Rudolph book.
And this one's called about piglets.
Piglets.
Right there.
Oh, that's real nice, Cooper.
She has two. So it's awesome.
Look at all your stuff, sissy.
That's called about that. This is called about Rudolph. How much these books he gets? It's down. Oh, it's big.
Well, show Sissy the paper. Maybe she can open it.
I'm opening it. I'm big.
Okay. You're helping her out, huh? Look at all this stuff. She's got all kinds of stuff in her hand.
I'm big.
What is it?
It's this and this and this,
What is it? Is it like a hairbrush?
this and that, and that and that and that. Huh. And that.
Did Sissy get a hairbrush and a comb?
Yeah.
Aw, that's nice.
Yeah. So summer stocking. Oh, it's empty.
And that's it for her stocking? Hi, sis. Look what you got. All kinds of stuff.
Hey,
Oh,
Mom.
yeah. Mommy thought you'd like to chew on those books, huh?